Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Houseplants. In today's video, we are setting up the month of March in my Erin Condren social media planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of March, I am using this Orange Umbrella Co kit. I believe it's kit number 976, just going off of the number here. I do not know the name of this kit. It is an older one. I bought it back in 2020. So I will show you, I have the wide washi here. I've got the kind of sidebar area here. I bought it because I loved all of these blank labels here. And then I have the main sort of header, monthly header here with more of the blank boxes. And then I have a sheet of the monthly scripts and the 2020, of course, which we won't need that. So I am going to get started. I'm not sure how this is going to work because of the print on the planner going all the way to the edge, but let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. I wonder if it might be easier for me to fold the book in half. I think I don't know if I should white all that out. I kind of feel like it almost looks worse. I'm going to put this down. It's very pale, the mid-century circles on this side, so you almost don't see it. And because there's green in this print, it doesn't totally bother me. I mean, it's okay. I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to get too fussy about it. You can kind of see March under there because that was such a bold font under there, but it's not too bad. I'm going to cover that. Maybe I'll cover that with the March script from the kit. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Again, it's very pale over here, so I don't think that's going to be too much of a problem. It's just over here where it's a little darker. So let me put this down. I mean, it's not fantastic, but because there's more of it all the way across the page here. I don't know, friends. It's not great, but let's just carry on with it. And then let's put the month of March. Let's put this down. I always like to do left aligned, but I wonder if I should do it in the center here. You can kind of cover, I can kind of cover where I see that March bleeding through. So I'm just going to center that here like that. That's good. I'm fine with that. Okay, so my Plan With Me's normally come out every Sunday, and it's on the last day of the week. So for example, for the week of February 28th through March 6th, I always do the release of the video on the last day. So this one will be on the 6th. And then we'll put this one down for the following. Spring Forward is on the 13th, so that'll be good. We'll get more daylight hours. It's a tough one though, because I always feel really tired in the morning as my body starts to get used to it. So it's not my favorite, but I do like the longer days because that way I can get home. I have time to get home from work. Oops, I skipped that week and get Otis out on a walk. Spring begins on the 20th, which is the day before my mom's birthday. Every so many years it falls on her birthday. And then the last one is over here on this page. We have a lot of March birthdays. So hopefully I'll get all my filming done. Okay, so those are the Plan With Me's. And then I had a little bit of a glitch the last couple of weeks. Our Wi-Fi went down because a squirrel chewed through the cable outside. So my Plan With Me for the week of February 21st through the 27th didn't actually go up until Ash Wednesday, which was March 2nd. So that pushed out my March monthly, which I would have done on this Wednesday. I pushed that out to Friday. So I'm going to put this one down. And then I want to put my March Clean Mama. I will probably try to put that on the 9th because one of my friends wants me to post these a little earlier in the cycle instead of later, just because she's following along. And then let's do my social media here. I'm filming that one now, and then we'll put the budget one up. So we'll do that one here. And then, let's see, I like to do the flip throughs towards the end of the month. So let's see, I know I have, let's maybe put it down here on the 23rd. And then for this here, on the 18th, I just filmed I'm gonna write this in, the Archer and Olive subscription box just came in, so I just filmed the unboxing for that. So we'll get that up. Let's put that one here. So that means that I have another Friday and another Wednesday. I'm gonna put this green one here. We will figure out, I should order some stickers. I need to order my April stickers. I don't think I have enough kits for April. I haven't really looked at it, but I was trying to use up kind of kits that I had already. Okay, so that's that. So I have 2 open spots here. So that's looking good. There's 31 days in March. So that's the base of my schedule. And then over here, I thought I would use this wide washi. And we'll put this across the top. Let's see. Maybe, yeah, I don't like my stickers to go all the way up to the edge of the page. So I think I'm gonna put this here, line it up on this line, go all the way across. That's so cute. I love this little print. And then I'm gonna take one of my Saya Planning. I have a social media sticker here. I'm gonna put this centered right on top there. And then I'm just gonna take my red ruler and my gray Papermate Flare, and I'm gonna draw in my little grid line that I do. So, okay, so that's my little grid, and then I'm gonna take some of these Fern Creek Stickers fonts, and I'm gonna fill in my film. I love having like a full just monthly planner dedicated to my content. It makes it so much easier. Film, edit, and upload, because I can make this big grid. And then let's do film, edit, upload. The thumbnail, I just put TN and then live. I should get a custom made, maybe from Saya. I'll get a custom made and do that. So, okay, so that's that. And then in here, this is where I'll write down all of the videos that I'm doing. So there's 4 Plan With Me's. So I'm going to write those down. And then I'll do all of my monthlies, which is the March monthly view. Clean Mama, and then I think we're going to do social media next. And I'll put the March budget up. And then what else do I have? Clean Mama. Oh, and then the Archer and Olive. Oh, I know, friends, what I'm gonna have. I ordered the Erin Condren's spring seasonal surprise box. Did you? Let's put this in here. EC. I'm just gonna call it the spring box. I don't always order it, but I like when I like the look of the box. Is that crazy? Spending $40 just because you like the cardboard box? February flip through. That's what I'm trying to do. I will be tempted to buy it. And so it's the Flora, one of the Flora boxes. So that's shipping mid-March. So hopefully, I'm just going to put it down here, assuming that I get it by the end. I mean, I could get it in time for here, in which case I'll just move the stickers around. But let's just put a placeholder here for the EC spring box. And I haven't seen any spoilers. I'll have to go look and see if there's any spoilers. You know, I can't wait. Okay, so that's the monthly. I've got this set up for my grid to work off of. And then over here, what I've been doing is the kits for the monthlies and then the weeklies. So I think, let me look and see if I have a this month sticker. Okay, I couldn't find one that specifically said this month. But what I'm going to go ahead and do in here is I'm going to write down what I use for each of my like monthly views. So for my plum paper, it was a planner cake kit and it was number 411 and it was called Spring Meadows. I love this little way of kind of keeping track of what I'm using. I don't know why that matters to me, but I just like it. Okay, and then for my happy planner, which is my budget, I am using an Orange Umbrella Co. So OUC, and it's number 1111, and it's called Birthday Bash because March is my birthday month. So I'm going to put that here. And then for my Erin Condren social media, which is this one, we are using an Orange Umbrella Co. And like I said, I don't have a name for it, but I'm calling it 976 from the number that was on it. And then the last one is Clean Mama, which really is just some washi, but I also used washi from the planner cake kit that I used in my monthly, which is probably what I might just do, is just like order a little bit of extra washi or just use washi that I have. Okay, so that's that. And then here I did find this little sheet here from one of my Orange Umbrella Co kits, and it says kits. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this one here, and I'm going to put in my weekly kits. And so week 1 was Orange Umbrella Co. number 115. It's called Poppy Impressions. I'm just gonna abbreviate it. And then week 2 is a surprise kit. So I'm gonna leave this blank. So should I give you a spoiler? I did a little kit exchange with one of my friends, and that's all I'm gonna say about it. So you'll have to watch the next plan with me. So week 3, that one is going to be Fern Creek stickers. And that one is number, I think it's number 110. And it's called The Luckiest because that's St. Patty's week. So it's kind of got that theme. And then week 4 is the Orange Umbrella Co. Birthday Bash because that's the week of my birthday. So I liked that one, so I did it for both my budget and my birthday. Okay, so that's my base, friends. That's how I am getting started. And then I use here for all of my notes. What I'll do is I will start doing my April planning here. If you look back in my February, you can see in my first notes page what I did was I mapped out my March kits that I wanted to use. So I'll do the same thing here because I have not done it yet, and we are March 5th I think today, so I need to get moving on that. All right, so that's it for social media right now. I've got my plan for my kits for March. Again, I'm going to fill that in with the surprise kit that I received, and then I will fill in as I'm filming and editing and uploading, and then this is sort of the plan. And what's great is I use the removable stickers, so if I have to move things around, I most certainly can. Alrighty friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.